What's up everybody, Tony with High Tech Check, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Civilian and Pathfinder series cases by UAG for the brand new Galaxy S23 Plus. Now if you guys want to pick any of these cases up, I will be putting a link in the description, and if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to review to you guys. Now UAG makes some really nice protective cases. As you can see here, they've been drop tested from up to 20 feet. That's pretty significant. I don't think anybody here is going to drop their phone from 20 feet. It's just peace of mind to know that my phone will be protected in case the phone does happen to drop while I'm talking on it or maybe down some stairs. So here we have the UAG Civilian case. So here is the case itself. It's got a nice solid hard backing with kind of like an extra piece for extra protection. And it's got the two-tone orange and black on the insides and around the edges. Fits on the phone really nice, feels really nice in the hand. It's not super slippery. It is a little slick, but not so bad to where you're going to drop the phone out of your hand. And in case you do, it's going to be protected anyway. The buttons on the side, nice and clicky. I like how smooth they are, but they still protrude off the phone so you can very easily find them. Very nice. Again, it does feel good in the hand. If we look at the side here, as you can see, it doesn't add a lot of bulk to the phone, but we do have a nice raised edge all the way around the front of the case to protect the phone's screen. On the other side, again, we have our power button and our volume buttons right here. On the bottom, we have our cutouts for our charging port and our speaker, and we have little lanyard holes in each corner of the case. On the back, again, it's got kind of like that hard piece to protect the phone's backing. And it also has a little recession to protect your camera lenses. It's a pretty nice case, and it does definitely feel like it would protect my phone in case I did happen to drop it. And if you're wondering about wireless charging, no problem, you can wireless charge right through the case. Buttons are nice and clicky, easily accessible, very nice. I do like the orange accents in the corner and on the top. What do you guys think? Would you rather have it all one color, or do you like the accents? So that is a really nice case to protect your phone. Again, this is the Civilian. I would definitely recommend this case, and I would give it a thumbs up. And then here we have the UAG Pathfinder. This is a little more rugged case than the Civilian. It's got that camo look. It's got a cool honeycomb pattern on the inside. You can definitely feel that it's not as protective as the Civilian though. So there it is on the phone. Feels nice in the hand. It's got these serrations on the side of the case to help with grip. It's not super slippery, but it's a little slick, but again, it feels nice in the hand. Buttons, very easily accessible, and they protrude off the phone just enough to where you can find them. I absolutely love that. If we look at the side here, you can see the serrations on the side to help with the grip, and it's also extra protected in each one of the corners in case you happen to drop it. It also has a nice prominent edge all the way around the front of the case to protect your screen. On the other side, again, we have these little serrations with the power button and our volume buttons. On the bottom, we have our cutouts for our charging port and the speaker, and we have our little lanyard holes in each one of the corners. And on the back, it's got a very cool texture to it, nice hard back, and it's also got protection for your camera lenses as well. Now I know it looks like it, but this little pentagon shape here is not a MagSafe ring, so you can't use any MagSafe accessories with this case. But in case you're wondering about wireless charging, you can still use it with that. No problems there. So this Pathfinder case is pretty nice, especially if you want to keep your phone nice and protected from drops. I definitely think it would do a good job, and again, it feels nice in the hand. Very cool case. So I would definitely recommend this, and I would give it a thumbs up. UAG has some really nice protective cases, and these are just a couple of them. They have more on their website, and again, I will be putting a link to that in the description as well. But what do you guys think about UAG? Do you guys like their cases, and will you be picking them up? If so, let me know which one and why in the comments below. So that is it for UAG's Civilian and Pathfinder cases. Again, I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to pick these up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews to you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.